Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Connect your laptop by cable or stable Wi-Fi because reliability matters. Enter the router IP in your browser and log in with admin credentials. If you lack them, reset only after noting consequences. Once logged in, navigate to the status page to confirm firmware version and active SSID. Make a backup file of current settings and save it to your desktop. These steps prevent data loss and let you revert quickly if a change causes unexpected disruption. Now modify network identifiers. Change the SSID to something neutral so devices find it easily, and then update the Wi-Fi password to a strong passphrase of at least 12 characters. Select WPA3 if all clients support it, otherwise choose WPA2 AES for broad compatibility. Adjust channel and channel width to reduce interference. Run a quick scan app if uncertain. After changing these core values, apply the settings and allow the router to restart. Make sure devices reconnect with the new credentials and note any devices that need manual updates. Finish by reconnecting critical devices and confirming internet access on both 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands because some EOT gear only works on 4. Change the router admin password and securely store the new Wi-Fi credentials. If a device fails to connect, power cycle the modem and router first. Test connectivity via Ethernet to isolate wireless problems. If persistent issues remain, restore the backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember to reapply secure settings afterward to avoid leaving the network exposed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.